After weeks of travelling across the Greek islands and into Turkey, we decided it was time for a break. We caught a dolmuş from Selçuk, travelled up through Izmir and headed for the seaside town of Ilıca. It's famous for its long sandy beaches, but visiting in the off-season turned out to be a very different experience. In this video we'll show you around the local Ilıca Beach area at a very quiet time of the year. The dolmuş ride from Selçuk is well over an hour, so make sure you get there early to get a seat. The dolmuş took us all the way to the Izmir bus station, and from there it was easy to buy an onward bus ticket to Ilıca Beach. Our apartment was just a short walk away from where the bus dropped us off. We've walked out on the end of the Marina jetty area. Sarah's taking pictures of the little tiny fish in the water. So we're just off the coast here of Ilıca Beach. But there's a hot water spring swimming area just here. People come out here in the mornings and enjoy the warmed waters. That's the main Ilıca Beach area, just there. Our apartment's about, I don't know, 3-minute walk behind that waterfront area. We've reached the end of the walkway along the beachfront, or the waterfront. Thought we might have been able to go all the way around to those fancy hotels. Try going around on the road. Certainly a beautiful area, and we've got to much cooler temperatures today, which is nice. Heading up to about 22 degrees Celsius. We've got as far as this water park. There's big slides and swimming pools and things, and cool shaped trees. Certainly not open at the moment, whether it's closed for the season or just we're a little bit too early, I don't know. Some fancy hotels and things here as well. So we've taken the dolmuş to Boyalık Beach today to check out this beach. It's meant to be quite fancy. It's certainly got fancy hotels. Big hotel. Pretty short ride from where we are in Ilıca Beach, and then we're going to walk back. Boyalık Beach is supposed to be one of the nicest beaches around this area, so we'll see what it's actually like. I'm guessing it won't be crowded because we're after season. Already seeing lots of rubbish, well, some rubbish. Biggest problem with beaches here is we now compare everything to Agios Prokopios in Naxos, which was just so beautiful. Hasn't really felt warm enough for swimming for us here. Well, it would be warm enough, but it's only getting up to about 22 degrees Celsius, so not like we feel we need to cool off on those sort of temperatures. the water here is so much nicer than the actual beaches. Looks like it's very shallow though. Very shallow but very clear. Oh, it gets a little bit deeper out there. Nice hotel. Ilıca Beach is straight ahead that way. Yeah, now this beach is just like the others. It's all, yeah, it's very littered with cigarette butts. It's a shame, really. Some bits are alright, some bits are, yeah, just not very well looked after. You can see how shallow it is there, the man walking up there. Making our way back to the apartment on the residential roads. Every so often there's a piece that leads down to the beach. Let's check this one out. It's a lot cleaner along this bit. And that beach over to our left there looks like quite a pretty spot. Holiday houses behind it. I'm guessing this area's got hundreds of people on the beach in the summer. So we're just trying to get in and have a look at this massive resort hotel that's here. We could see it from Ilıca Beach when we were there the other day. Ah, it's right in front of the marina. It's probably part of the marina. Wow, some fancy boats. If we go down here, we might get a look back at it, I think. It's a bit of a rainy morning in Ilıca Beach today. Had a few showers, thunderstorm. I thought we'd come and just walk along the beach while it's not raining. This is the big long main beach area that we haven't been to before. We've reached the end of the promenade walkway. It's as good a spot as any to show you some of the rubbish on the beach. It's not very clean. The water looks super clear and clean, and they've even got a tractor here for picking up rubbish, but maybe because it's after the season they've stopped using it. Okay, so we're just going to do a quick run through video of the new apartment. So this is in Ilıca Beach near Çeşme. It's quite a big apartment, so we've got a table and chairs, the world's largest fridge we've ever seen, kitchen. Oh, the lighting in here is terrible, by the way. Wow, it's probably not too bad in the video. Couch, a couple of chairs, coffee table, TV, washing machine, balcony out there. Table and chairs there. Mosque over that way. Swimming pool. It's a rainy day, that's the other reason why it's a bit dark inside. First rainy day we've had, but we haven't got wet walking yet. And then here we've got pretty good bathroom, shower, little bath, 2 single beds in there, and then a queen size bed in here. So yeah, it's quite a big place. It's about 6 or 8 units here, I think. Yeah, not bad. Right, cheers. We've just come over to see the local mosque that's near our apartment. We've been hearing it 5 times a day, but we didn't realise it was quite so beautiful. You can see the minaret from our balcony, but it's just stunning. Look at the beautiful tiles all over it. Lovely colours.
أشهد أن